arbitrationagreements.org. Enthusiastic learners, I hope you are as excited about the world of alternative dispute resolution as we are. If not, by the end of this brief chat, we hope to ignite that spark in you. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Do you know that in recent times, 1 in 3 legal disputes are now settled outside the courtroom? Yes, you heard that right. 1 in 3. That's a significant number. And do you know what this means? It means there's a booming demand for professionals skilled in alternative dispute resolution. Here's another statistic to blow your mind. Over 60% of Fortune 500 companies have used alternative dispute resolution in the past year. That's more than half of the top companies out there. And guess what? They are looking for skilled individuals just like you. But here's the catch. It's not enough to just be interested. You've got to be trained. And this is where we come in. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We are proud to be the top association in the country providing full-scale online ADR training. We are not just saying this to impress you. Our experts have trained thousands of professionals, and they are out there shaping the future of conflict resolution. With the rise of digital transformation, it's imperative to be ahead in the game. And what's better than receiving the best training right from the comfort of your home? Our online courses are tailor-made for individuals who are passionate, eager to learn, and ready to dive into the dynamic world of ADR. What makes us stand apart? Our commitment to excellence, our experienced trainers, our holistic approach to ADR, and most importantly, our belief in you. So, if you are ready to be a part of the change, to be in that top percentage of professionals making a real difference, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Join us, become a part of the ADR revolution, and let's rewrite the future of dispute resolution together. Just visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what are you looking to learn as part of your ADR training? Drop a comment below and let us know your expectations. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.